Hello and welcome to Car Spec, a guide for automotive. Hello viewers. This video is about petrol versus diesel cars, choosing the right fuel option. Before buying a new car, one of the most common questions that comes to mind is petrol or diesel cars. For some, petrol cars may be a perfect choice, for others, diesel cars might be the right option. This depends on the requirement, and understanding the key differences will help in the decision-making process. Usage and driving habits. For frequent and regular usage, a diesel car is the best option. For short and non-regular commutes, a petrol car is typically more suitable. Initial cost. Diesel cars are usually more expensive to buy due to the more complex technology involved. Petrol cars are generally cheaper, which may be more appealing for those with a limited budget or those who don't drive enough to justify the higher initial investment in a diesel vehicle. Fuel economy. Diesel cars generally have better fuel economy compared to petrol cars. Maintenance. Diesel engines are known for their durability, but they typically require more expensive maintenance and repairs, whereas petrol engines are generally simpler and cheaper to maintain. Expensive maintenance costs can be offset or trade-off by frequent usage, especially in the case of diesel cars. Resale value. Diesel cars typically retain their value well, especially in regions where diesel is popular, whereas petrol cars generally have lower resale values compared to diesel cars. Environmental impact and emissions. Diesel cars emit more nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, which contribute to air pollution and health issues. However, they tend to produce less carbon dioxide (CO2) than petrol cars, which is beneficial for reducing overall greenhouse gas emissions, whereas petrol cars produce more CO2 but emit fewer harmful pollutants like NOx. Performance. Diesel engines typically have higher torque, which means they deliver strong pulling power at lower RPMs compared to petrol engines. Fuel price. In some regions, diesel is more readily available and cheaper than petrol. Engine lifespan. Diesel engines last longer than petrol engines as the wear and tear is less pronounced due to fuel property. Refinement. Diesel engines will have higher NVH noise, vibration and harshness levels compared to petrol engines. Thank you for watching.